Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we have another 2008 Gypsy Karnataka registered first owner for sale. So right now this vehicle is completely a restored vehicle which is available for sale in Bangalore. So right now we are going to have a look at the vehicle. The vehicle is a Ex Army vehicle which has been completely restored, and you can just have a look at the body line. The body line is good and it's been repainted, and the front bumpers are with original bumpers. There's no modification in this, and the front tires are the original uh, cross play tires which has been installed from the army itself. There's no modification in this. The vehicle is very much in stock condition with a brand new tarpaul installed in this. You can just check out the body line. This has been painted, and all tires are normal original play tires from the army itself. So this is an Euro 3 engine, and this vehicle is registered for 15 years from today, and the RC is till 2037. This is a Euro 3 engine, 4x4 petrol, KA18 registered, and it can be transferable within Karnataka, and also NOC can be given all across India. If anybody are really interested, you can just WhatsApp us on our WhatsApp number. So you can just check out the complete view of the vehicle with the body line. So this vehicle does not have a AC or a power steering in this. If you want a AC or a power steering, it's totally an additional cost which has to be installed. So I'll be showing you the interiors of the vehicle. Regarding the interiors of the vehicle, the interior is with a new soft top and new seat covers installed in this, and they have the old original dashboard itself with the steering, and the door pads also are brand new which has been installed in this. And this is the view from the back seat. This is a soft top which is convertible, which can be removed or refitted. It's a brand new soft top which has been installed in this, and long seats are available in this totally. And this is the side view of the vehicle from the passenger side, so with new seat covers installed in this. So you can just have a look at the engine bay. The brand new battery has been installed in this, and the engine is a Euro 3 engine, totally in running condition with up-to-date documents. There is no issues with the engine, and the engine is very neat enough at the moment. And you can just have a look at the vehicle, and this kind of silencer exhaust indicates that this is a Euro 3 vehicle. So right now the vehicle is in running condition. You can just have a look at the engine sound. Very smooth enough, very neat. So you can just have a look at the engine sound. So anybody who is really interested to buy this 2008 single owner Gypsy, which is available for sale in Bangalore, and RC is till 2037. Insurance is also valid, and the price which we are quoting is 4,65,000, slightly negotiable. Only serious buyers are requested to please contact us on our WhatsApp number 9886679617. We are based in Bangalore. Please like and subscribe our channel, and stay tuned and watch more and more videos coming from our channel. Thank you and have a great day.